all of the information is online, but where are the results? You can learn how to build businesses from people like Alex Hormozi. You can learn how to invest from people like Warren Buffett. You can learn habits from people like James Clear and Tim Ferriss. But why don't you have the life you want? Where are the results? Most people say, one magical day when I can be perfect with all of my habits, then I'm going to have the results. But what's below discipline? What allows all of us to be able to be disciplined or not? It's one thing. It is the word belief. When we believe we can have something, it dramatically changes our ability to be disciplined. The way we get more belief is by changing our selected focus. What we focus on creates our beliefs. And so in order to create more beliefs, we have to change our selected focus to believe what we want to believe.
This motherfucker don't miss.
And as we change our beliefs affect our discipline, and our discipline affects our results. So the next time you're saying, how can I be more disciplined? Change that to, how can I believe I deserve this thing more? And the more you can believe, the more discipline is naturally going to be a part of your life. Enjoy watching your life transform before your eyes.